Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Special mention to all our subscribers for showing love and support on YouTube and Instagram. Let's get in. If you want to take a scrolling screenshot on your PC and save it as a PNG image or a PDF file, then watch this video till the end. In order to take a scrolling screenshot on your PC, you should have an internet connected. This is an online tool and works only in browsers. Next, we'll see how to download and install the tool to take a scrolling screenshot. First, open the Chrome browser on your PC and in the search bar search for Nimbus Screenshot Chrome extension and hit enter. Open the second link from here which says Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder. When you open it, you'll see a screen similar to mine with the details of this extension tool. On the right side, you can see the button Add to Chrome. You'll have to click it in order to add this extension to your browser. On click, you'll see a pop-up window where you've to click on the Add Extension option. When you do this, you can see that the extension is being downloaded to your Chrome browser. It is approximately around 50 MB in size and depends on your internet speed. By the time it downloads, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Once it's done, Chrome will add this extension to your browser and a new tab will open regarding the details about the Nimbus Screenshot extension. Close all the open tabs when it's complete. Now, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your PC. Let me search for something and open a page just for demonstration. In order to take the screenshot of any page, you've to locate the extensions icon on the top right corner of your browser window. Now click on that icon which will show you the list of extensions in your browser. In this list, find the Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video extension and click on it. This will open a list of options to take a screenshot on your PC. Let me click on the first option, the visible part of the page, and see how it works. It will open a new tab where it shows the preview of your screenshot. In this tab, you can edit your screenshot like crop, add text, colors as per your choice. For now, I don't want any changes. Let me click Done. Once I do that, it displays me all the options to save the screenshot taken. You can save the screenshot on your device, Google Drive, Dropbox, and even take the print directly from here. Let me save it to my device in this case. Click on the Save as Image option. Here, it will ask you to save the image to your required location. I will save it in my Downloads folder and rename the file as per my choice. I'll rename it as an image and click Save. There is another option. If I click on the drop-down arrow here, we can also save it as a PDF file. So, let us test that. Once it is done, all the downloaded files will save on your device in the folders specified by you when downloading. Let's see how scrolling screenshots can be taken. Again, click on the extension icon and click on the Nimbus Screenshot extension. From the list of options, select the fifth option, the entire page method. On clicking it, the page will start capturing by scrolling down the page automatically. You don't have to do anything, but just wait till 100% is completed. Then, it will open a new tab where the preview of the screenshot is shown. As I told you earlier, you can edit the scrolling screenshot as per your choice. You can crop and retain only the necessary portions if required. For now, let me click Done. From here I can save my screenshot to my PC. It is about 13 MB in size, which is of high quality. Now let me save it both as an image and PDF file also. Click Save as Image, let me rename it, and click Save. Then let me click on Save as PDF and just wait for it to download. Now let me show you how the output files would look like. Let me open the scrolling screenshot PNG, and as you can see it will look like this. Now let me show you the PDF file. According to me, saving the file as PDF is the most convenient method of taking the long scrolling screenshot, and the output looks like this. This extension has a variety of screenshot options also, but scrolling screenshot is the only one that falls in the scope of this video. There is also an option to record the video through this tool. Go check it out. Hope you got your solution. If not, leave your doubts in the comments section and let me help you with it. Thanks for following us on Instagram by going to our account link in the description box. Thanks for watching and meet you again in our next video. Subscribe fast, don't forget.